In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up biometric authentication on the Binance mobile app for 2025. Biometric authentication, whether it's Face ID or a fingerprint, offers an efficient way to secure your Binance account by using your unique biological traits instead of traditional passwords or codes. It helps speed up access to your account while enhancing security. Binance employs the FIDO protocol to ensure your biometric information stays secure on your device and is not sent to any external servers. This aspect underscores Binance's commitment to protecting your personal data while making sure you can access your account quickly and without hassle. There are two primary ways to set up biometric authentication on your Binance mobile app, and these methods might vary slightly based on whether you're using an Android or iOS device or depending on your location. Nevertheless, the process generally remains consistent across all users. The first method involves enabling biometric authentication directly from the login prompt. To get started, open your Binance app and log in as you normally would. Occasionally, after you log in, you might be prompted by Binance to enable biometric authentication, which you'll recognize by the prompt displaying Enable Biometric Authentication, or Set up Face ID fingerprint. Simply tap on Enable Now when you see this prompt. Your device's biometric sensor will then take over, either scanning your face or fingerprint, depending on your setup. If the authentication is successful, this feature will be enabled immediately, allowing for a smoother logging in process in the future. If you're not prompted automatically at login, you can enable biometric verification manually through the app's settings. Start by opening the Binance app and logging in. Next, navigate to your profile or account section and then go to Security. Here, you should look for an option labeled Biometric Authentication. It might also appear as Passkeys, Biometrics, or something alike like Biometric and Security Key in newer versions of the app. When you find it, tap on Add Biometric Authentication or Enable Biometrics. This action will trigger your device's biometric verification system to appear. Confirm by either scanning your face or placing your fingerprint on the sensor. Once you've successfully completed this verification step, your chosen biometric method will be saved. This means that for future logins or specific verifications within the app, you'll be able to utilize your biometric details instead of manually entering codes. By following either of these methods, you'll secure your Binance account efficiently and align with modern standards for digital account protection. With your biometrics setup all set, you can enjoy quicker and more secure access to your financial operations on Binance, knowing that your personal data remains private and safeguarded on your device.